I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. The camera just went off. I don't know. Sorry about that. So as I was saying, I sent a big shout out to Tori Treats. Make sure you go to channel to subscribe there, because there you get more information of what I'm teaching here. You get more information of that. So yes, I'm just going to brief it. Okay, like we started drawing from the D1. Sorry, I don't know. The camera just went off. I don't know what happened. So we started from the D1. This was the highest point. So we drew to this point where price isn't intersecting the line, so as the down trend line also. So and we went to the 4H and we saw this one. So this was where I was able to draw this steeper uh, trend line to the upside. So now I was currently in the H1 before the camera went off. I don't know. It's strange. That's never done that before. Okay, so let's just continue. So yeah, this is the highest point in the H1, right? This is if I'm actually claim this to the highest point. So if you put my price, if I say that price is intersecting it, yeah, are you getting it? For assuming I was in the market, because I remember that because you know that at the beginning of the video, you can see that the lines already. So I remember drawing this line like this. Are you getting me? Now I was expecting a break to the upside, and the break already happened, but because of the video that I'm doing now, I can't really, like, if I want to enter the trade, like probably I'm just entering the chart. I won't do it like this because I want something fresh. Or let's zoom in and see. Let me zoom in and see. It's actually very strange for my camera to just go off like that. It's strange. Okay, let's see. So why I would, because this is a three touch point trend line. It's very uh great, very good, because you can see price actually touched here. I'll count this as a touch, this and then finally broke. This is a breakout. I don't know if you're getting me. This is a breakout, and it's painful that I did not record I didn't record it when I was analyzing in the evening. uh, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to put. Don't worry, there are a lot of videos that are still coming up for better explanation. So as for me, I still like to go further into the 15 minutes. This is where I like to take my trades. I like to take my trades in the 15-minute time frame. So why did I go to the 15 minutes? Because to see clear clear to get a clear picture of what the price is actually doing. So you can see here that price broken, it's just going to the upside. So how do you enter the trade? You just have to start, put your ray from the lowest point you can see, 15 minutes, and then draw to the upside. I can't take this trade now because number one, I don't like this kind of safety line, but this safety line is acting as a stop loss. As for me, I am an NSLG. A great shout out to Say Jex, by the way. He has been a good man all the way. Yes, now this is going to be the safety line. Once this line is broken to the downside, then our buy trade is off. So I won't like to enter this trade right now because price is already playing out, and again I don't like this steep. It is too close to price. It's not giving, I won't be giving room for price to play out, so I'm not going to take trade. You know what, let's just analyze another pair. So let's see volatility 25. Okay, so I'm going to start from the very beginning again, so I hope you get what I'm saying. So let's just see overview what price is doing. So you can see from this aspect that the price is actually rising from this point, right? It's actually rising from this point. I'm just going to ignore this. I'm not ignoring, I'm just trying to let you know that oh, you know what, let me just start. So this is actually the lowest point on the screen right now, 818. So let's start from there, because you can see clearly that the price is actually going to the upside. So you can see if I put my line here, price is intercepting, so we don't want that. If I put it here, price is also intercepting somehow, right? So I have to put it to where price is not going to intercept. You can see. So actually most people think your line must be touched. Sometimes your line doesn't have to be touched. You can see this, I will count this as a touch. To be honest, I'll count it as a touch, and I'll count this too as a touch. So to me, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 touch, 4 touch points trend line. This is very massive, because I know that once price breaks this zone, this trend line, there should be a nice selling momentum. Are we good? So yes, let's draw the upper trend line. You can see it from here. If I'm to draw it, I can see that if I'm to draw it like this, price is already intercepting. So I'm just going to draw it like this. I don't know if you understand. Yep, I'm just going to draw it like that, where price is not intercepting, does not intersecting the line yet. Are we good? So let's move to the 4H. So on the 4H, you can see clearly that from this point you can still draw. So let's keep drawing, no time to check time, let's keep drawing. So you can see this is where, if I to shift my trend line anything after that, you will see clearly that the price is already intersecting the line. I really hope you are seeing this. If I zoom in, let's zoom in. Price is already intersecting there. I don't want that, so I'm just going to put it at tip like this. Yep. This is better. You can actually make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment below in this video anything you are having trouble with. You can let me know. You see, forex is something that is, or let me say trading generally, something that I love, because I feel like once you get the psychology aspect, then nothing can hold you down from making profit. So it's very essential. Make sure you go and check out for that PDF I talked about, Trading Your Zone by Mark Douglas. This is a very effective trading book. It's going to guide you all the way and let you know the mistakes you've been doing for years. I actually it's actually painful that I didn't get to read that PDF at the beginning of my trading career. It was just early this year I came across it. I really bought it. So and early since that time, I've improved a lot, like a lot. I'm sorry if I'm delaying you. So you can see that I'm always starting from where I stopped. You can see after I drew this first trend line here, then this is where the price is touching without intersecting. So I have to draw again from that point again, and you can see this is where price is intersecting. If I'm to change this like this, you can see that the price is clearly intersecting. So I don't want that. So I'm going to draw another trend line again from that point where I stopped and to the upside where price is not intersecting. Very good. Yep. Let's zoom in. So you can see from this point price is not intersecting. So I'm still going to draw another trend line. This is something about trend line. It's very interesting. What you have to do is just start from where you stop and make sure price doesn't intersect your line. So this is good. You can see now that I drew it from here, and now price is already showing to the upside that you can see it was from here. I'm not trying to let price intersect. You can see that price is already intersecting here. So I'm just going to adjust this trend line like this to this point. Yep, you can see now this is a nice 3 touch point. In fact 4 now, because price is currently at that trend line. So if price breaks this trend line to the downside, what do we do? you have to ride it all the way from here to this point. You can see there's a very, and our stop loss will be, I'm going to show you that. So this is still the 4H. Let's move to the H1. So you can see this is the line that we drew. So if price breaks this line, then we'll be going in short, right? So this is the H1. I can actually see that I can draw from here down like this, right? But let me go to the 15 minute to make it very clear. Yep, this let's just leave that. Okay, so starting from the highest point here, draw to the down, right? Yep. So this is a good safety line. You can see that price is, if price breaks to the downside here, I'm going to take sell position. I can actually adjust my trend line to make it steep to where price break. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. And that safety line will be my stop position. But if price breaks it to the upside, then the trade is void. And look at this now. This is actually a very good example too. So if price tries to play around and breaks this trend line, once it breaks, all I'm going to do is enter sell position and I expect that price doesn't go beyond this trend, this one I drew here, this one. So as far as price doesn't go, a body doesn't close above this trend line, then I'm good. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I don't know if you understand. So that is that on that. This is exactly how I used to enter my trade. In fact, there is a challenge coming up and I would like you to be there. I'd like you to join. We're trying to, me and the family, we're trying to raise $1 to at least $100. Trying to do that because, you know, if you can't do that, I feel like if you cannot undo small accounts, then there is no assurance that you can undo the bigger ones. Are you good? So ensure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and make sure you give your comment, anything you feel like you want me to teach you on. I'm always here for you. I'm always here for you. So that will be that on that. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.